Rajasthan District Court exam exercise 19 at the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready? Start. Ever since I was small, stories have been a part of my life. Reading books like the tales of Peter Rabbit and the very hungry caterpillar before bed became a part of my natural order where I could escape into another world. To say the least, not much has changed, and on most nights, I love to read to find that escape away from reality. Stop para. But literature is more than that. It has transcended time and still with us forming critical parts of today's curriculums. So, what relevance does literature have in modern society? For the majority of people around the world, our first serious encounter with literature comes from school. Reading and writing has been drilled in all of us from an early age, and this is set in motion with the start of examinations. Being able to empathize with a group of characters written on a page is categorical and, from a student's perspective, a necessary skill. Additionally, the ability to sense themes and messages opens us up to another way of thinking. Literature becomes a vessel. The 130 million books which have been published around the world are guides for the reader and generate a bridge for them to learn something new. Stop para. History is not only a gateway to the past, it is also suggestive of our present and the future. Within every time period lies different people, and within them different stages in our ever growing culture. Each individual before us was a product of their own time. As a species, we evolve every day, and without that time stamp that literature gives us, we would know nothing about the past. Literature allows a person to step back in time and learn about life on earth from the ones who walked before us. We can gather a better understanding of culture and have a greater appreciation of them. We learn through the ways history is recorded in the forms of manuscripts and through speech itself. Stop para. In periods from ancient Egypt, we can gather their history through hieroglyphics and paintings. The symbols Egyptians left behind are what we now use to understand their culture. This is different to Greek and Roman culture, which is found with greater ease because of their innate desire for accuracy in their writing. This is the power that words have. They have the ability to spark a meaning, reform a nation, and create movements while being completely eternal. Inevitably, they will outlive their speaker. Stop para. The impact of literature in modern society is undeniable. Literature acts as a form of expression for each individual author. Some books mirror society and allow us to better understand the world we live in. We are easily connected to the psyche of authors through their stories. However, literature also reiterates the need to understand modern day issues like human conflict. Literature is a reflection of humanity and a way for us to understand each other. By listening to the voice of another person, we can begin to figure out how that individual thinks. I believe that literature is important because of its purpose, and in a society which is becoming increasing detached from human interaction, novels create a conversation. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with others, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.